Real estate agents, want to get your buyer's offer accepted? Here's how. Hi, I'm Kayla Montgomery, Sales Manager with the Reynolds team at 1 Sotheby's International Realty, and today I have 5 quick tips for getting your buyer's offer accepted. Number 1 is lender approval. Make sure your buyer is connected and pre-approved with a lender that you know and trust will make the process go smoothly. Say that you get a pre-approval letter for FHA financing. Find out if your buyer could in fact go conventional if needed. Those are things that you definitely want to know. Number 2 would be to set expectations with your buyer. Make sure they understand what the process is going to look like, that they know how the inspection is going to go, and also the appraisal, and things that could come up that could be deal breakers. And make sure they also know that in today's market with low inventory, they may need to put in an offer at or above asking price. Number 3 is the strength of the offer. Price, of course, we talked about that, but say your buyer definitely needs to have a credit towards closing costs, make sure you adjust the price as necessary, and then don't forget that it still has to appraise. Another topic for strength of offer would be the deposit. So you could increase the initial deposit. You could also offer a second deposit after the inspection period. Number 4, and I think this is definitely the most important, would be find the win-win between the buyer and seller on your first offer. And you do this by talking to the listing agent. Find out what the seller is looking for. Say the seller needs to buy another home. They may not be happy with a 30-day close. They may be more open to a post-closing occupancy or leaseback, so they have some time to find that next home. Number 5, and this is definitely important, is how you present the offer. Make sure that all of your I's are dotted and your T's are crossed, and this would be including all of the addenda that are necessary. Do you need an FHA or VA rider? Do you need a condo rider, an HOA addendum? Make sure those are included and completed, and that your buyer has signed all of the signature fields and done all of the initials. And then communication really is key. So when you're sending the offer over to the listing agent, let them know, build some rapport with them, because they're definitely going to be your ally in coming to an agreement between the buyer and seller, and you're going to be working with them in the future. So those are some tips on getting your buyer's offer accepted. These should help you, and stay tuned for more quick tips.